Hello. How are you? Are you fine or bad? I hope you're fine. I am fine. And let's remember this. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What is the day of today? Do you remember? Ask your mom. Pregúntale a mamá por el día de hoy. What is the day of today? Is today Monday? Or Tuesday? Or Wednesday? Or Thursday? Friday? Maybe Saturday? Or Sunday? What is the day of today? And now I want you to look outside. Look outside. Observa fuera de tu ventana. Look outside and tell me, what's the weather like today? Is today windy or cloudy? Maybe sunny or rainy. What is the weather like today? You tell me. That's it. And let's start with this. El día de hoy, chicos, ya se nos acabó el poema. Hey, diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jump over the moon. No more. Ya se acabó. Hoy quiero preguntarte, ¿qué es una receta? A ver, piensa un poquito. Y si no sabes qué es una receta, pregúntale a mamá. A ver, vamos a pensar, ¿qué es una receta? Sí, es un procedimiento. ¿Pero para qué es ese procedimiento? ¿Para preparar algo? Sí, es cierto. ¿Qué vas a preparar? Exacto, comida. Una receta es para seguir un procedimiento y preparar un alimento, una comida. También puede ser un postre. Existen portatextos que se llaman recetarios, mira. Los recetarios los vas a encontrar como en libros o revistas. Y estos que contienen, mira. Obviamente vas a encontrar palabras, imágenes que ilustran lo que vas a preparar. ¡Wow! ¿Observas? Qué rico se ve, ¿verdad? Es algo que llaman smoothie. Y aquí donde alcanzas a ver estas pequeñas letras, te indican ingredientes y utensilios que vas a utilizar para preparar este rico smoothie. Mira, observa, hay más alimentos que pudieras preparar. Esto es un recetario ilustrado y nos ayuda a preparar postres, en este caso, deliciosos postres. Entonces, quedamos que este se llama recetario. ¿Ok? Muy bien. Yo te pedí de tarea que vieras un video. En este caso ya no es una revista, pero es un video recetario. A ver si te acuerdas. Escucha. Canta conmigo.
Maple Leaf Learning. Let's make a sandwich. Let's make a sandwich. Let's make a sandwich, you and me. Let's make a sandwich. Let's make a sandwich. Let's make a sandwich. I'm hungry. Bread, I want bread. Butter, I want butter. Ham, I want ham. Lettuce, I want lettuce. And don't forget the tomato, please. And the most important thing is cheese. Let's make a sandwich. Let's make a sandwich. Let's make a sandwich, you and me. Let's make a sandwich. Let's make a sandwich. Let's make a sandwich. I'm hungry. Let's make a sandwich, you and me.
Excellent. That's it. Do you remember now? ¿Ya te acordaste? Excellent. En ese video recetario viste unos personajes. Can you remember the characters? Think about. Aha. One of the characters is this. No? The reindeer. Huh? And also a different character. For sure, it was the chef. No? Well, in English, also the cook. Huh? And also a pirate. Uh-huh. They were the characters in the video. Okay. Uh-huh. And they were presenting the ingredients. Ellos nos presentaron los ingredientes. ¿Te acuerdas de los ingredientes en el sándwich? Yes. Bread. Uh-huh. Bread. For a sandwich, how many slices of bread do we need? Slices of bread, 2. 1, 2. It said butter. Ellos nos sugirieron mantequilla, pero en México usamos mayonesa. Mayonnaise. Uh-huh. This is my mayonnaise. Okay. And then we also need something that is really important. The ham. Yes, the ham. ¿No? ¿De qué va a ser nuestro sándwich? De jamón. Okay, the ham. Okay. And also they told us to use lettuce. Uh-huh. Lettuce. The vegetable lettuce. Uh-huh. They also mentioned tomato. Uh-huh. Tomato. And one that is really important. Cheese. Uh-huh. The cheese. Those are the ingredients for a sandwich, to make a sandwich. Uh-huh. And today we are going to prepare to make a sandwich. Uh-huh. Vamos a hacer nuestro sandwich. Recuerda que te pedí que tuvieras a la mano, ¡tarán!, tu masita Play-Doh. Uh-huh. So let's make a sandwich with our Play-Doh. Uh-huh. Vamos a formar nuestro sandwich. Okay, so first of all, we need, what do we need to make a sandwich? Remember, bread, 2 slices of bread. So we have to take our dough, and I will make a little bowl, and then okay, I have to make the form of a slice of bread. Okay, here it is. How many? 2. Okay, this is one slice of bread. Then the other. Okay, so this is the more or less this is the bread. Okay, the slices of bread. Okay, now we have to add mayonnaise. Mayonnaise to the bread. So this is really thin. La mayonesa es súper delgadita, chicos. Mayonnaise. It's really, really, really thin. We are going to spread the mayonnaise on the bread. So this is the bread. This is the mayonnaise. And I will spread the mayonnaise on the bread. That's it. And then, after mayonnaise, it comes the ham. So let's make a slice of ham. Como a mí me gusta que sí sepa jamón, chicos, yo voy a la tienda y le digo al señor, deme rebanadas gruesas. So this is my My ham. Okay, well, this is my ham. So I got the bread, mayonnaise, then it comes the ham, and then it comes the lettuce, the lettuce. So make a leaf of lettuce. So this is my lettuce, and let's remember, okay, we got the bread, mayonnaise, ham, this is the ham, lettuce, this is the lettuce, and tomatoes, they are small. So let's make small tomatoes. Look at them. They are really small. No? And here they are. Bread, mayonnaise, ham, lettuce, and the tomatoes. Can you look at them? Tomatoes. Okay. And now, what comes next? Something that is really important. It's the cheese. Cheese. So let's make. Cheese tends to be squared. Normalmente el queso a veces lo tenemos cuadradito, ¿verdad? Okay. So the cheese is like a square, kind of a square. So this is my cheese. And then it comes to my sandwich, the cheese, no? So here we are again. The bread, mayonnaise, okay. Then it comes the ham, the lettuce, tomato, remember the tomatoes, the cheese, and finally also the second slide of bread. So here it is. This is my sandwich. The song said, let's make a sandwich. Let's make a sandwich. There it is. Aquí está. La canción me dijo que hiciéramos un sándwich. Y aquí está. So, how's yours? ¿Qué tal quedó el tuyo? Mine is delicious. So, yummy. Nom, 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 nom. Yummy, delicious. This is my sandwich. Ok, en casita, tú tienes que hacerlo, ya sabes. Take a picture and send it by WhatsApp. And for today, this is everything. Yes, thank you. Goodbye.